Oh, hi everyone. Welcome back to Woo Can Cook. Today we're adding yet another installment to our rapidly growing series dedicated to fried chicken with a shot at a Sichuan style hot wing. This of course comes on the heels of the now plethora of popcorn chicken and chicken wings that we have done in this series already, including the Vietnamese nuoc-cham wings, Korean gochujang glazed wings, Taiwanese popcorn chicken, Japanese chicken karaage, and just so much fried chicken now. Today's Sichuan wings, however, will not only be leaning very heavily, as you might have guessed, on the use of Sichuan peppercorn to create its signature numbing quality, but also on a freshly toasted and ground Chinese spice blend that is absolutely going to knock the socks off of every single other pre-ground mixture that you have ever used. To pair with this, we're also going to draw some inspiration from a Sichuan fried pork dish from my childhood known as suro that I literally have only ever paired specifically with jalapenos and cilantro. I'm not really sure why that is, but you better believe that's how we're going to do our wings today.